wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best Underbody Underglow kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. For an eye-catching look that's not too over the top, consider the monochromatic xkglow neon, which are available in your choice of blue, amber, green and more. You can select from solid, breath and strobe modes from the front seat via the plug-in controller. These come with adhesive and hardware, and there are helpful setup videos online. However, they could use longer wires. At number 9, you can look fancy on the links with the Opt7 Aura golf cart, which consists of 10 flexible strips that can cover all sides of your vehicle and put on 4 custom light shows. Be aware that a voltage reducer, which is sold separately, may be required for installation. It includes a mountable power switch and 3M double-sided tape, but the cable length is rather short. Coming in at number 8 on our list. For a stunning single-color effect that will grab the attention of anyone around, try the ledmircy neon. Each of the 10 lights provides a 120-degree beam angle to create a wide throw, and they're built for the long haul with an impressive lifespan of up to 50,000 hours. These are shock and dust proof and offer multiple placement options. However, they're not as bright as advertised. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Underbody Underglow kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, each of the 8 lights in the Inorising RGB comprises 3 long-lasting LEDs. Their durable aluminum housings and extra tough glass help them stand up to any flying debris. These are suitable for marine installations and accept a wide range of voltages, but their Bluetooth connectivity is finicky. Moving up our list to number 6. You can enhance the look of your trailer or camper with the LED Glow RV, which features 20 high-impact water-resistant acrylic tubes with more than 1,800 LEDs. They're installed to your undercarriage using the included 15-degree angled brackets. These boast 27 special effects and can be set to react to music. They come with 4 10-inch wire extension cables. Halfway up our list at number 5. Unlike many others, the ultra-thin profile of the XPride Rock makes them easy to hide, and they come with both 3M adhesive strips and screws for a secure installation. These 8 rectangular lights are also suitable for use in backyards or beneath cabinets. They feature an IP67 waterproof rating and a handy on-off rocker switch. They're a budget-friendly choice. At number 4, the 192 inches of tubing in the xkglow 2nd generation can be programmed to create a rolling light show other drivers will admire. Working together, the bulbs are capable of producing millions of subtly different colors. They're equipped with 120 preset programs and are also available for interiors. These are made of sturdy reinforced polycarbonate. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. With the Oracle Lighting 5796-333, you can choose from among many patterns and effects from your smartphone. They wire directly into a 12-volt source and will work with 4x4s, trucks and other off-road vehicles. They come with both flush and curve mounts made of rubber. These are equipped with powder-coated aluminum housings and offer a wide 150-degree beam angle. They're backed by a 2-year warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Underbody Underglow kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Opt7 Aura All-Color will add some attitude to your ride and are made to accommodate most SUVs, vans and trucks. They come with professional mounting hardware to ensure they stay securely in place on rough roads in all types of weather. They feature a sound-activated mode and 3 fuse tap connectors, along with a remote that works from up to 80 feet away. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the LED Glow Slimline lets you bathe the road beneath your car or truck in light, thanks to a total of 324 ultra-bright bulbs. They're easy to operate either via the dash-mounted control box or with the handy wireless fob-style remote. They're equipped with water-resistant tubing, a 6-foot power cable, and 5 speed options. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Underbody Underglow kits, or simply click beneath this video.